In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in Lucidchart. Changing the page size helps your diagram fit perfectly when you share, export, or print. So let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, head to lucidchart.com in your browser, sign in if you're prompted, and open the document you want to adjust. It's easiest to make page decisions when you can see your content, so take a second to glance at your diagram and note whether it's tall and narrow, wide, or more of a standard page layout. Once your document is open, look to the very top left of the editor for the icon with three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the main menu. This is where Lucidchart groups many document options, and it's the quickest way to reach the settings you need. In the menu, click File. The File section contains controls that affect your current document rather than your account or workspace, which is exactly what we want. Next, choose Settings. This takes you into the area that controls how your document behaves and how the canvas looks. From there, click Document Settings. Think of this panel as the home base for anything related to the structure of your current file. You'll see options that influence the overall feel and layout of the page rather than individual shapes. Now select Canvas and Page. This is the specific place where Lucidchart lets you manage the page properties that affect printing, exporting, and how page boundaries show up on your canvas. You'll see a list of preset page sizes. Go ahead and pick the one that matches your needs. Common US sizes like letter, legal, and executive, or international sizes like A3, A4, and A5. If you're planning to print on standard office paper in the United States, letter is a safe bet. If you're collaborating with international teams or working from templates that use metric standards, A4 is often the right choice. As soon as you make a selection, the canvas updates to reflect the new dimensions and you'll see the page boundary lines adjust accordingly. Take a moment to zoom in and out to ensure your content fits comfortably within the new page. If parts of the diagram now sit outside the boundary, consider nudging shapes inward or resizing elements so everything stays on a single page. That visual boundary is what determines how your diagram will paginate when exported or printed. When you're happy with the fit, you're done. Your page size is set and your document will use those dimensions going forward. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.